The switch both turns your tool on and off and allows you to vary the speed of the motor. After years of use, the switch can fail, either no longer turning the motor on or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. Replacing the variable speed switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the rear handle. Now I can remove the old switch. Now I can install the new switch. I'll reattach the wires. And then place the switch back into the housing. As I reinstall the switch, I need to align it with the lockout button. With the switch in place, I'll make sure the wires are tucked out of the way, and now I'll reinstall the other half of the handle. And that's how easy it is to replace the switch on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.